Hello friends, this is your voice maker. Please do subscribe.
Hello my dear friends, welcome to Voice Maker. Today we are going to see how to make an helicopter sound in our mouth. We'll go with that. See, first you have to do is just take your hand and keep it in your mouth and then just wobble it. La, 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 just wobble it and then do it with the air force. It sounds like this. Was it nice? If you also want to learn this, please do subscribe, like, share, comment my videos. Thank you friends. Next updates to make your voice epic and the most sweetest in the world. Thank you.
I hope you die in a fire. Hope you'll be